In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Doordash easily. Whether it's a change of plans or an error in your selection, knowing how to cancel an order can save you both time and effort. So let's get started and walk through the entire process step by step. First, we'll need to visit the Doordash website. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and navigating to the Doordash homepage at www.doordash.com. This is where you'll be able to access all the features associated with your account, including your order history. Once you're on the homepage, you should look for the section labeled Orders. This section is usually found in the main menu, and clicking on it will redirect you to your order management page. This is where all of your active and past orders are listed, making it easy for you to track your deliveries or, in this case, initiate a cancellation. Now, when you reach the orders page, you'll notice a list of your recent orders. If you haven't ordered anything recently, it might show an empty list with a note suggesting you order today. However, in the scenario where you have pending orders that you wish to cancel, they will appear here. In that list, find the specific order you want to cancel. It's crucial here to double check you're selecting the correct order to avoid canceling the wrong one. Once you've identified the correct order, click on it to view its details. Doing so will not only show you what items you've selected, but also any special instructions you might have left for the delivery. The option to cancel your order should be readily visible among the details. Depending on the app's current layout or any updates they might have rolled out, it may sometimes be called cancel order or something similar. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. After selecting the cancel option, be ready to confirm your choice. Doordash might ask for a reason regarding your cancellation, which can range from incorrect items, delivery time changes, or other personal reasons. Providing feedback can be beneficial for the platform's improvement. After you confirm, the system will process your request and your order will be canceled. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your order on Doordash. Remember, Doordash's terms may impact the refund process depending on how far along the order is, so it's always a good idea to review their cancellation policy or contact their customer service for any disputes or questions. By understanding these steps, you can seamlessly manage your orders on Doordash and avoid any hassles should you need to cancel in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.